Welcome back. The 2025 BYD Ceolion 7 is a premium electric SUV that exemplifies BYD's commitment to innovation, performance, and luxury. Unveiled at the Auto Expo 2025, this vehicle is poised to make a significant impact in the electric vehicle (EV) market. Design and exterior. The Ceolion 7 boasts a modern SUV coupe-like design, characterized by sharp LED headlights, a tapered roof line, flush door handles, and dual-tone 19-inch alloy wheels, with an option for 20-inch wheels. The rear features connected tail lamps and sporty spoilers, enhancing its bold and dynamic appearance. Interior and features. Inside, the Ceolion 7 offers a luxurious cabin equipped with a rotatable 15.6-inch touchscreen infotainment system and a 10.25-inch digital driver's display. The interior is adorned with white Nappa leather upholstery and a panoramic glass roof with an electric sunshade. Front seats are both heated and ventilated, ensuring maximum comfort. Rear passengers benefit from heated seats, dual AC vents, and charging sockets, providing a premium experience for all occupants. Performance and powertrain. The Ceolion 7 is available in two variants: 1. Premium RWD, powered by a single 230 kW, 313 PS, motor delivering 380 Nm of torque. This rear-wheel drive model accelerates from 0 to 100 km/h in 6.7 seconds. It is equipped with an 82.56 kWh battery pack, offering a claimed range of 567 km. 2. Performance AWD. This all-wheel drive variant features a dual-motor setup, combining a 230 kW rear motor and a 160 kW front motor, producing a total of 530 PS on 690 Nm of torque. It accelerates from 0 to 100 km/h in just 4.5 seconds and offers a claimed range of 542 km, thanks to the same 82.56 kWh battery pack. Technology and safety. The Ceolion 7 incorporates BYD's latest innovations, including cell-to-body (CTB) technology, which integrates the Blade battery into the chassis for improved safety and handling. It also features intelligent torque adaptation control (ITAC), enhancing driving stability. The vehicle is equipped with 11 airbags, providing comprehensive safety for all occupants. Charging and range. The premium RWD variant offers a range of up to 567 km, while the performance AWD variant provides up to 542 km on a single charge. The Ceolion 7 also features vehicle-to-load (V2L) functionality, allowing users to power external appliances directly from the car's battery, adding versatility to its capabilities. Market positioning and availability. In India, the BYD Ceolion 7 is expected to be priced around a superscript 145 lakhs ex-showroom, and will be